Augusta Public Schools, why you should come fly with the Orioles. We are 12 miles east of Wichita, which offers all the entertainment and fine dining that you and your family can enjoy. Also, we have some of the best facilities in the state, with remodels happening every few years to keep up with everyone else and to set the standards for the schools around us. In USD 402, we have 4 public elementary schools and 1 private grade school. We also have the Augusta Middle School and Augusta High School in our district. Our mission statement is to provide academic, social, cultural opportunities to encourage knowledgeable, responsible, and successful students. At Augusta, we believe every student should be involved in something. So we provide 45 extracurricular activities, something for everyone to enjoy. And not only do we enjoy them, but we take pride in our athletics. Augusta High School has 18 state championships and counting. In the classroom, we have a 14-to-1 student-to-teacher ratio. We also are 1-to-1 student to Chromebooks K through 12. Part of the reason for our success is our caring and supportive administration with years of experience. Also, we like to reward students for doing what they're supposed to do. We offer pizza and pop parties with the principals and no tardy parties each semester. What else does Augusta have to offer? We have lots to offer. We have our city lake, we have our theater, we have downtown parks, we have lots of community involvement. So, come and see how high you can fly at Augusta.